Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Head of Meadow School here in Newtown, Connecticut, and just in the hallway outside the main office. But got this great quote here that anything you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. And today's focus was all about positive life choices, being your best self, but really making the efforts to always give our best no matter what. That yes, we are going to face challenges, we are going to face obstacles and hurdles and very hard situations, but that we never have to give up, and that we can, if we try hard enough, succeed. The opposite of success, like I told the students today, is not failure that so many thought it was. It's quitting, giving up. And there's so many famous people that have gone before us that have failed only to finally succeed, and that each failure brought them closer to finding a solution. And that for some of us, we're gonna whiz through math, we're gonna blow through science, and it's gonna be so super easy for us. But for other people, it's gonna be really hard, and that's okay, because that means some of us, we just have to try a little bit harder, and we can make it, and we can understand something. And once we do, then the sign of a true leader is to go then help the other person that might be struggling themselves, like to lift them up too, right? Higher than ourselves. And just like the other quote here on the wall from Kid President, make the world more awesome. We start to do that by believing in our own abilities and our own gifts, and then going out and shining that on this planet, because it truly needs us. And we can persevere, and we can keep pushing, and we can keep giving the effort. And that's all that we're asking anyone to do. Any of the students that we talked with today, it was all about make sure that you give your effort, you do your best, then rest. Because at the end of the day, if you are giving that maximum effort, you probably are going to get the result that you want. So thanks again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. And remember, like the shirt says, upside down on purpose. Keep your head up. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what we're going through. You guys touch my heart. And never forget also that we're true miracles, the M on all of our palms, right? M for miracle, W upside down for worthy. We never forget that. And then we help others people see that too. So much love. Until next time, peace.